Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket to New York, please.
Sure. One way or round trip?
One way, please.
When are you traveling?
I'm leaving this afternoon.
There's a train at 2:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. The ticket is $45.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your ticket and your change.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your train will leave from Platform 1.
What time should I be there?
Please arrive at least 20 minutes early.
Okay, I will.
You can check the departure board over there for updates.
Great. Thanks for your help.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you.
Hi. We have a reservation under the name Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. A table for two, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Please follow me.
This place looks very nice.
Thank you. Here is your table. Please have a seat.
Thanks.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'll have iced tea.
Sure. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here you go. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
And I'll have the steak with fries.
Great choice. How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
We're excited to try the food. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little busy this week.
Yeah, we have a lot of work to finish.
Did you complete the report for the manager?
Yes, I finished it last night. I sent it by email.
Great job. I'm still working on mine.
Do you need any help?
Maybe later. I need to check some numbers first.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
By the way, are you joining the meeting at 2 p.m.?
Yes, I'll be there. Are you ready for it?
I think so. I prepared a short presentation.
That's good. I'm sure it will go well.
I hope so.
Don't worry. You always do a great job.
Thanks, Mike. That means a lot.
Let's grab some coffee before we start working.
Good idea. I could use some coffee right now.
Hi, John. It's nice to see you.
Hi, Anna. Wow, it's been a long time.
Hey, John. How's it going?
Hi, Mike. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little busy with work.
Same here. Life has been busy lately.
I understand. What are you two doing here?
We're going to have coffee at that cafe.
Do you want to join us?
Sure, I'd love to. I have some free time.
That's great. We can catch up.
So, John, how's your new job?
It's going well. I like my coworkers.
That's good to hear.
Are you still living downtown?
Yes, I moved into a new apartment last month.
That sounds exciting.
It is. You should come visit sometime.
We'd love to.
Let's grab a table outside. The weather is nice today. We need to buy some milk.
Yes, we're almost out at home.
Which one should we get? Whole milk or low fat?
I think low-fat milk is better for us.
Okay. How many cartons do we need?
Let's get two. One for coffee and one for cereal.
Good idea. Do we need anything else from this section?
Maybe some yogurt.
I see strawberry and vanilla. Which flavor do you like?
I like vanilla. What about you?
I prefer strawberry, but vanilla is fine.
Let's get one of each.
Sounds good. I'll put them in the cart.
Wait, I have a coupon on my phone.
Really? That's great.
Yes, we can save a few dollars.
Every little bit helps.
Do we need cheese?
Yes, we're out of cheese too.
Okay, let's grab a pack.
After this, we should get some bread.
Sure. I'll push the cart.
Thanks. Shopping together is easier.